Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. So this is my topic that is all about chair dancing. So I am Maria Mayordo. I'm going to tackle today that topic that being assigned to me, which is the chair dancing. So I hope you all will listen to it. Let's start. So chair dance. So what is chair dance? So, it is a team physical activity using organized routines for the purpose of motivating a sports team, entertaining an audience or competition. So, kanidi ang chair dance, apan kay bayo naman tanong nakakita na tawat giun sa pag-perform ang chair dance. So, isa ni siya ka team activity, physical activity. Why we say physical? Because it involves dancing. Kanang we have to involve our bodies to perform the dance. So we have naani sila yung mga routines. Ang purpose ani siya is to motivate a sports team, entertaining an audience or competition. So but we are really kaning familiar with the competition no kay na UAAP kay bayon taon sa UAAP. So diri as sa UAAP is apan opening is na chair dance very kuan siya very kumbaga very sikat diri as sa Philippines kani chair dance no. Then kaning chair dance na sa say objectives. One diri is to promote school spirit and unity. So we all know na when we say chair dance, number one jud na magpa-compete is through kaning sa school. Kung sa school man galing, it is through kuan by departments or nasa mga inter-school just like we have in the UAAP na by school, inter-school. So it is to promote school spirit and unity, no? We have to take that in our mind. To develop discipline, teamwork, and confidence. So upon competing, na adjud dili jud pwede mawaya ang discipline. How can you perform well without discipline? Self-discipline starts within. Then teamwork. So the unity, ang ka-unity ng isa ka team, ng isa ka competing team, nagdepende how united you are as a team. Then of course, confidence. Without confidence, you cannot perform well. No, understand? Do you get me? Then to develop athleticism. Why? Because this is a competition. If it is a competition, there is sportsmanship and of course, athleticism. No? Then rhythm. Na rhythm ang paghanay niya. Then creativity. So, isa na makapa-attract sa ato apan kaning performing the chair dance is ang creativity. The creativity of your team, no? Dapat makita jud diha sa chair dance. Then to entertain crowds during events. So dili lamang basta-basta kita na mo dance. We're not just dancing but to entertain. Once makita na nato ang ato mga audience na nagpalakpak, nag-applause, then makita nato sila mga naong na they're very happy, then you've got the goal, the objectives, which is to entertain. No? Okay, next. Skills develop. So, upon dancing chair dance, there's a lot of skills being developed there. No? Dili lang siya basta-basta paundat sa kusog lang. But, skills are being developed. One of them is strength and stamina. Nakita pa lang na to kanang ikwang-gali kanang itungko sa kanang mga tungko ang ang mga dancer. So without stamina, you cannot perform it. No? Then flexibility, you must be flexible. mag upon dancing flexible ka, you will be able to split, you will be able to murag gymnast gani na very flexible bisag unsa ipabuhat nimo kaya nimo. Then coordination and balance, of course you must have balance kay di sa chair dance na sila yung mga pyramids, you need to be able to kuan mo mutungko ka sa likod ng mga any other dancers. Then there should be coordination with your body and the rhythm, dapat may balance. Then timing and rhythm do, so mo na yung giingon, dapat timing. There's music, then you have to be fit, you have to be fit with the music, no? Communication and teamwork, dili pwede na you're just dancing without communicating to your teammates. You have to coordinate, communicate. In that way you will be able to perform well. Then self-confidence and discipline. Number 1, self-confidence, as I have said earlier, self-confidence and discipline. Next we have flyer. It is a person being lifted in the air during stance. Kakita mo kanang mga mo itungko gani, i-left gani, ang tawag ana sa ila is flyer. Mao na sila ang alsahon katong mga mag-perform. Tay ako diri i-left. Ang tawag ana niya sa iya is flyer, kanang ako i-left. So kanang si flyer mao na siya ang maghimog stance. Ako na nag-left, si flyer diri as ako. Katong si flyer na siya stance na himuon sa taas. No? Mao na siya si flyer. Bases and spotters, persons that holds the flyer in the air during the stance. Si bases o spotter kadtong nag-hold ni flyer. So kadtong nag-hold ni flyer dapat ligon stamina, ligon ang iyang body kay siya ang nakadepende sa iya ang performance ni flyer. If ever paluza-luza si bases and spotter, delikado si flyer. So kay ikaw man ang basis, you must be firm, you must be strong, na dapat may strong yung stamina, no? So mao na si basis and spot. The main base, directly under the stand until it is cradled or brought down. Hakita mo katong mga kuang gani, katong mga nag-support ni base, o mao na sila mao to sila si main base. Mao to nag-support ni sa kanang spotter gani, o naa na siya sa palibot, dili na siya pwede mo bisa kay in case na the flyer na muna og na ato siya makasalo, no? Kabayo na tanaw si flyer, bases and spotter, then si main base. So kay bayo na tanan ato no. Then secondary base applies when doing a one leg stand. This position also considered a side base and catch the flyer's foot during a prep or sponge. Kato si flyer during nagtindog siya, tapos mong change siya. Katong si secondary base, mauto siya ang mag-catch. Mauto siya ang mag-catch atong mga flyer, no? Kabayo na tanong unsay kalainan ni bases and spotter, ni main base o ni secondary base, no? Then the back spotter, person actively stabilizing the stance from the back. Katong mga nag-hold sa likod, katong mga nag-protect or lang lamang nag-protect, no? Kay kanang makaingon na lamang ta na wala sila'y gamit, mapusa man na sila diyan nagtindog raman. No, they are the back spotter. Silang mag-spot na uy, ingani na ang nahitabo sa flyer, ingani na, no? The back spotter. So kay bayo na tanong si flyer kung unsay mga ilang mga purpose or unsay ilang mga gamit. Si flyer, si bases and spotter, main base, secondary base, and si back spotter. Next we have I have a trivia here. Did you know that the first cheerleader is Johnny Campbell? At the University of Minnesota in 1898, lead the first organized cheerleader. Kani si Johnny Campbell is a man. He is a man. The first man na nag-organize og cheerleading, and he also is the first cheerleader, a man. So imagine that, no, ang sa karon ang typical nga chair dancing is, we all know na it's women, sila jud ang kuang karon sa chair dancing, but we didn't know that isa di ay kalayaki ang the very first cheerleader, no. So na diri nakabutang, no, original cheerleader, it is the men. Women only started joining in the year 1920s to 1930s. Then in that time frame, nag-start na pag-grow ang numbers ng mga niapil sa cheerleader ng mga babaji after World War II ato na mga time. So again, the very first cheerleader is Johnny Campbell, a man. Then ang mga babae is 1920s to 1930s na. Then ni-start na pag-grow ang number of the women participating or joining cheerleader after the World War II. Then did you know that the US presidents, katong mga sikat na mga presidents, they were the former cheerleaders. It includes FDR, Eisenhower, Reagan, and George W. Bush. So we can di ta ka makatuunan na kaning mga sikat na mga presidents, they were former cheerleaders. Then ESPN, kanang channel gani, international channel na kanang sports channel. Sila ang the very first began to broadcast the cheerleading championship in 1980s, boasting its athletics profile. So up until now, naapagyapon ng ESPN, no? We all know that. Then UAAP, kay bayo na sa UAAP, no? One of the biggest and most spectacular cheer dance competition diri sa Philippines. Kanang mga sikat ug dagko na mga universities under sila aning UAAP. UAAP stands for University Athletic Association of the Philippines. Isa ni sila sa pinakasikat na association ng mga athletes na nag-involve katong mga sikat na mga universities in the Philippines na nag-organized og cheer dance competitions here in the Philippines. So that's all for my topic for today. So I hope you all learn something about cheer dance. Thank you and have a nice day.